नहमदुहु व नसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. First of all, I would like to poetry in Sindhi. I describe you in Sindhi language. I describe you the poetry Sheikh Ayaz. मुंहिंजी लिखणियूं रहिजी वेंदियूं, मुंहिंजी लिखणियूं रहिजी वेंदियूं, यादूं सखणियूं रहिजी वेंदियूं, उॾरी वेंदा भंवर गुलनि तां, ख़ाली मुखड़ियूं रहिजी वेंदियूं. To the my lecture, I explain you well section 496. In what cases bail to be taken? When any persons other than a person accused of a non-bailable offence is the arrest is detained without warrant by an offence in charge of a police station or appear is abroad before a court and is prepared at any time while in the custody of such officer in any stage of the proceedings before such court to give bail, such person shall be released on bail, provided that such officers of court, if it thinks may be interest of taking bail from such persons, discharge him or in executing a bond without sureties of the appearance as a inheritance provided further that nothing to the shall to be deemed to be affected. They are the provisions of section 107, the implement on section 117 subsection 3. I describe you under the mandatory provisions of section 496 CRPC, grant of bail or bailable offence is a rule and its refusal is an executions and accused in the bailable offence is essential to be bail of the matter of right without any applications of bail. Bail is not mere privilege in such cases but the right subject without the legs regarding as a previous arrest to be prevented and demonstrated. Supreme Court of Pakistan in a case titled as Tariq Bashir was the state held that in the bailable offence the grant bail is a right and not favor, where in non-bailable offence the grant of bail is not right and a concessions grace section 497 CRPC established 1898 divided non-bailable offences in two categories. Number one, I describe you. First of all, please subscribe my channel Legal Talk Network. Press the button bell icon, like it and comments me and share it and you support me. So I describe you two categories. Number one, offense punishable while death, imprisonments of life or imprisonment for 10 years, and second category is offense punishable with the imprisonment for less than 10 year non-bailable offenses falling in the second category, the grant of the bail. is a rule of refusal, the exceptions to the bail when they deter in only is extraordinary explanations cases. For example, I describe you. A says where this likelihood abscond of the accused. B says where the appreciation of accused taming with the prosecution evidence, where the is a danger of accused determining the prosecutions of the evidence, where the danger accused tempering the prosecute evidence. Number D, where the danger of the offense or repeated accused to released on bail. E says where the accused is provisions convict. The offense falling under the schedule of CRPC established 1898 to I describe you any offense under any law which is a punishable with imprisonment for a 10 exist 3 years or with fine or with both and bailable unless especially made not bailable by legislation. Word custody. The word custody not to be contracted or a physical custody. A person is returned to apprehending arrest in cognizance offense case by a police to be deemed in custody. I describe you application for bail not necessary if accused produced before magistrate in a non-bailable offense, magistrate finding him having committed a bailable offense can release him and on bail through no application made out. Thank you so much. Inshallah, next lectures to I describe you section 497. Thank you.